and welcome to yet another video edition of College Dekho. In this video, we will discover everything about the career as a suicidologist. A suicidologist is a professional who is an expert in the field of suicidology, the scientific study of suicidal behavior, its causes, and prevention. There are multiple different disciplines involved with suicidology, the two chief fields being sociology and psychology. A suicidologist has a defined set of ethical standards and they transmit, share, and use their understanding of the suicidal phenomena for the common good. Unlike other professions like psychologist, cardiologist, criminologist, etc., neither an advanced degree nor specific training is mandatory to be a suicidologist. However, one is expected to have core knowledge, skills, and competency to deal with the vulnerability and responsibility that come along with the profession. Some of the responsibilities of suicidologists are to understand the study of suicidology and suicide as a human phenomena, to research on the scientific study of suicidal behavior, suicide prevention, and the causes of suicide, to promote training and research in suicidology, to work with a growing pool of activists, scholars, providers, and people with lived experiences, to compile, evaluate, develop, and disseminate valid information about suicidal behaviors to the public, to foster suicide prevention, intervention, and postvention to the public, to support those whose life has been affected by self-harm or suicide, to look at risk and seek opportunities for change in society, to actively work towards reducing and preventing the number of suicide attempts. To be a suicidologist, one needs to be an adept professional with the right aptitude and skill set. Let us discuss the minimum educational qualifications, skills, and work experience that candidates need to have in order to be a successful suicidologist. Starting off with the educational qualifications, candidates must have completed class 12th from a recognized board of education. They must possess a certificate in psychology or sociology. They must also have completed at least an undergraduate degree in psychology or other relevant disciplines. Some of the vital skills required to be a suicidologist are good communication skills, confidence, problem solving and critical thinking ability, listening, ability to think on feet, open-mindedness, emotional intelligence, patience, empathy, persuasiveness. Work experience is not mandatory to become a suicidologist. Since separate undergraduate or postgraduate suicidology specialization is not available in India, aspirants can go for an undergraduate and a postgraduate degree in psychology and behavioral science. To dig deeper in the study of suicidology, an individual can also pursue a short-term course in suicide prevention. Some of the most popular courses that can be pursued to become a suicidologist are Certificate Course in Suicide Prevention Gatekeeper Training ECHO, BSc in Psychology, BA in Psychology, MSc in Psychology, MPhil in Counseling Psychology, Diploma in Clinical Psychiatry, PG Diploma in Psychological Counseling. Some of the top colleges that offer high quality education in psychology and behavioral sciences are NIMS University Jaipur, Chandigarh University Chandigarh, NIMAS Kolkata, Datta Mega Institute of Medical Sciences Wardha, and many more. If you need any admission related help or guidance, feel free to reach out to our admission experts by just dialing the student helpline number 1800-572-9877 or filling up the common application form. Some of the job roles that suicidologists can consider in order to fulfill their purpose of promoting suicide awareness and prevention methods are psychologist, neuropsychologist, industrial or organizational psychologist, spatial educator, psychology teacher, clinical psychologist, counseling psychologist, educational psychologist, research psychologist, psychotherapist, social worker. After finishing the educational qualification and while researching on suicidology, candidates can either choose to work individually or with a firm. Some of the employment sectors or industries that offer job opportunities to students after completing education in suicidology are non-government organizations, campaigns and social causes for suicide prevention, the educational sector as a counselor or psychologist to ensure that the mental health of staff and students is top-notch, rehabilitation centers as counselors and mental health experts, government agencies and universities as research psychologists, suicide prevention centers and as experts in suicide prevention hotlines and call center, freelancer and provide individual counseling to clients in NGO. A suicidologist or an expert with an interest to promote suicide awareness and prevention can extract an average salary of around 4,04,743 per annum. Initially, the salary may start from Rs 1,80,000 per annum and it reaches around Rs 4,05,000 at the mid-level. With time and experience and good work, the annual salary can witness a hike and may go up to Rs 20 lakh. Just like every other profession, the career of a suicidologist comes with a few pros and cons. The pros of the profession are that a suicidologist saves life by preventing suicide and spread awareness about the same. It is an extremely satisfying and rewarding job. With the right potential and skills, a suicidologist can extract high salaries. Candidates can work independently as well as with the recruiter as per his or her convenience. The cons that come with the profession are, after a point, the job may get emotionally and physically exhausting. A suicidologist may have to work during odd hours, which may create a disbalance between the professional and personal life. Candidates need to prove their mettle time and again to be successful in this field. This was all about career as a suicidologist. If you have any queries regarding the profession, drop them in the comment section below. For more such informative career videos, stay tuned to College Deco.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.